Hey, small group leaders, how you doing? Pastor Josh here, just with a quick check-in this month with you. A couple of things I just want to show you. I know how difficult it can be to find good resources, and I do my best to provide you with a short list of teachings on Right Now Media to make that chore a little less daunting, a little bit easier for you. Narrow the field down of options because I know that you don't have all kinds of time during the week to look at a lot of different teachings that are on Right Now Media. But I want to draw your attention to a couple of resources, keep it out in front of you that you might not know about. And in fact, one of them I just discovered this week that I am really excited about. And so I want to introduce you to anthology.study, and this is a great website created by North Point Community Church. That's Andy Stanley's church, for those of you who might be wondering about that. And they have finally put together a site that has all kinds of small group content and leader resources completely free. In the past, you'd have to pay for this stuff, which is why we've never moved forward with it. But now they're starting to release their content for free, and it is really, really exciting. And so they also have an app available for you. You can click that by getting the app, but also if you just click on All Studies, you can see here that they have their studies organized by topic or featured speaker. You can do a keyword search, and you just see by scrolling through here, they have a number of them listed on the home page, and click on say who needs Christmas. You want to do a little bit of a Christmas study, and what you see here, there are 3 parts in this study along with a trailer that you can show your group and information. If I click on part 1, the world did, I know that there's a video associated with this teaching, and it's available to you on Apple, Android, Roku, Apple TV, and Chromecast. So those are all great options for you to show your content. And you'll notice over here, you have a free download guide for discussion. It's always helpful to have a guide that's available to you and easily downloadable, as well as leader tips. And so you can just click on the leader tips for each one of those teachings, and it will give you some helpful information, insight, quick and dirty tips on how to facilitate your group that week. So check it out. I hope you do use it. Let us know how much you like it. I always like hearing, I always like getting feedback from you about the different resources that you're using and how much you like it, or what didn't work well for you. So please check out anthology.study. Also, want to keep this out in front of you is just my personal website, joshuacooper.net, not because I want you to be on my website, but because once you enter it, you will see by clicking on Equip that I have provided one-stop shopping for you as small group leaders. I want you to have the tools that you need when you need them in one spot. And I'm always updating this page for you, and I will be adding anthology.study to the group content portion of my webpage. But also know too, just recently added the Bible reading resources. This is from the 3-part sermon series we did just last month called Read Me. And so it's tips, plans, and processes for getting the most out of God's Word for you. And so stay grounded, stay rooted in God's Word. Leaders, I want to help you get into God's Word and have a process for reading and applying God's Word to your life. And so I've added that just this week just for you. And so with those 2 resources, keep in mind the holidays are coming up. We're going to be wrapping up our groups really, really soon. And with that, you're going to be celebrating with your groups. Love to hear some stories of small life change or big life change, whatever that looks like in your groups. We would love to hear more about that from you. I would love to hear from you. But also, know that before too long, January 1st is going to be here, and we're going to be ramping groups back up again. So just as soon as we wrap them up, we're going to be starting them back up in the new year. Really looking forward to that. And so, be thinking about what kind of materials you're going to be studying or what you're going to need as the spring semester comes. very, very quickly and how I can help you. But start by checking out anthology.study, Right Now Media, or any of the other resources I've listed on my website at joshuacooper.net/equip. Take care, everybody. See you.